Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and today I bring you a little bit of the LV. I previously said that I wanted to start my small leather good collection because I don't have one. And so, of course, if you don't have one, you need to start one, right? Right? So, in this little bag right here, yes, I have a little trinket that my friend actually, she went to Hawaii and she picked it up for me because she knew that I wanted to start my small leather good. So let's get started. It's beautifully wrapped in the bag, the LV bag. Let's see what else came with it. Of course, the damage, but it's small, so it's just little damage. Just something small, really small. Yeah, let's get started. Let's unbox it. And love the ribbon. You know, the presentation is always good of luxury items. And this is, of course, the box right there. And inside, you have the dust cover. Here is the dust bag, Louis Vuitton. And then let's see what is inside. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. Okay, so here we go. I wasn't expecting this, but okay, it's still gonna make, I'm just gonna have to be satisfied. I was looking for the Damier Ebene, however you say it. That's the one that I was looking for. And this is the one that she purchased for me in Hawaii. And it's beautiful inside. So I love the, what is this, rose colored fuchsia. So here is the information right there that was inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 key rings. Yeah, all right. And then above this, it says Louis Vuitton and then Paris. Very smooth, very soft leather. The burgundy, fuchsia button. It has the little textile card inside, and then yet another has a little scan, and then the style number with the name. It is the monogram key holder, very soft leather, burgundy. You know, of course, Hawaii, their prices are a little bit lower. Their tax is extremely lower. So once I found out that she was going, I was like, please, 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 can you please pick this up for me? And she said that she would. And I said, okay, let me give you money before you go. And she was like, no, that's okay. Just give it to me when you get back, when I get back with it. And I was like, okay. So I picked it up yesterday. I unboxed it today. Am I extremely happy? No, because I wanted the Damier Ebene. I love that print better than the monogram. I like that checkered type print pattern. So the Damier Ebene is something that I truly like better. But a key holder is a key holder. And of course, if I really don't like it that much, then, you know, I can sell it. So once again, here is my new small leather good. All right, so it was quick, short, sweet, to the point. I really like the burgundy. Well, it's called fuchsia, but it looks burgundy to me, and I really like that. This leather is really soft, really pliable. I like that part. Louis Vuitton. I love it. It could be better with the Damien Ebene. How do you say it? I don't know how to say it, but you know what I'm talking about, right? All right. So thank you for watching. Always stay classy. Until the next time. Oh, please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate it if you subscribe. I need to get subscribers. Yes, I do. So until the next time, stay classy, stay cool, and I am out. Bye-bye.